Welcome back to the channel where we continue making the transition to Google Analytics 4. Today we are going to talk about the benefits of linking your Google Ads account to your GA4 account. Of course, it's found in the administrative section. We're going to show you how to actually link it, and then what are some of the benefits of linking your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics account. The main benefit is that you get to see the full analytics property and the full customer cycle, how users interact with your marketing, see the ad impressions, how they complete the goals and conversions that you have set up in your Google Analytics. Also, you can see if you've got an e-commerce website, the path to purchase. If you've got a website that specializes in form fills or lead generation, you can see the path to how to get that lead. And especially if you take a look at the marketing cycle, you can see how many times they're using things like search, email, what type of ads they're using, both direct and organic and paid search, along with your normal Google Analytics traffic. So first off, what we're going to do is go inside Google Analytics and show you how to connect your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics account. Once you're inside your Google Analytics 4 account, you want to go to the admin section. This is where you will find, as you start to scroll down in the middle, you'll see the Google Ads links. And this is what will connect your Google Ads account to your GA4 account. So click on the Google Ad links. Then you will want to hit the blue link button. The link button will give you an option to choose your Google Analytics account. So you'll click the Choose Google Analytics Accounts. This will show all the accounts that you have access to. You'll choose the one, then you'll configure the settings. You'll want to double check that you have the correct Google Ads account number in here, and then you'll review and submit in GA4. Once you have connected your Google Analytics account, then you'll be able to go into your advertising reports and see many different reports that are only available if you have your Google Ads account connected. For example, here you can see where your new users are coming from, and paid search is driving the majority of new users to this account. Then you've got your organic search and organic social. Also, you can take a look at the top campaigns, which campaigns paid search, and then allows you to drill in and see your actual advertising campaigns. If you have multiple advertising campaigns, you do not have to go inside Google Ads. You can actually take a deeper dive inside where the conversions are coming from and the path to conversion inside Google Analytics. Whereas Google Ads will only show you the total number of conversions, you can actually see that path to conversion inside Google Analytics GA4 when you have it connected. Also, you can see other things like the linking advantages. You can get engagement reports and metrics. You can also see improved Google Ads reporting and deeper reports inside your Google Ads reports. You can identify your conversion drivers. Is it email? Is it direct traffic? Is it search traffic? Is it, if you have multiple campaigns, if you have a display campaign and a search campaign, you can compare search campaigns against display campaigns. You can identify which keywords and search terms, your paid search terms, are driving those conversions. You can also see the entire customer journey, and you can do some retargeting, although this is getting a little less valuable with some of the limitations on GDPR and cookies and more people erasing their cache and things like that. But the ones that don't and the ones that allow it still allow you to take a deeper dive into the customer journey, kind of a complete picture 360 look. Also, you can integrate with your Google Ads account into your GA4 account. You can also look at your Google Search Console, see your search terms and what search terms are driving traffic to your website, and then also your multi-funnel channel if you've got that connected up in Google Analytics 4. So there is a lot of benefits to linking your Google Ads to your Google Analytics 4 account. The key thing to keep in mind, once you get it connected, make sure everything's working correctly, identify your campaigns, and then if you already have your ads running, again, it will not go back in time. It only goes from the time that you connect it forward. So you can see your advertising reports, you can see your conversions, and you can also check your attribution reports deeper in GA4. That is a look at how to connect your Google Analytics 4 account with your AdWords account as we continue to make the transition to GA4.